into and see and find out internships. ठीक है. Now this topic has definitely come from the current situation of students and how they are actually struggling to get. Problem क्या है, पहले ही फाइनेंस स्ट्रीम में ना जॉब्स बहुत लिमिटेड है, उसके ऊपर इंटर्नशिप तो और भी ज़्यादा लिमिटेड है क्योंकि यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू फाइनेंस वाले एरिया में भी आजकल एआई आ गया तो भैया आपको चाहिए होगा कोडिंग वगैरह. कोडिंग भी नहीं चाहिए तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट स्फेयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फाइनेंस या फिर तुम्हारी कॉमर्स की फील्ड है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो इन द फील्ड ऑफ ऑडिट. यू नीड टू हैव बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ अकाउंटिंग ऑफ ऑडिटिंग टॉपिक्स दैट यू हैव the subject. There is definitely one auditing subject in your entire बैकग्राउंड नहीं चाहिए. जैसे हमें टैक्स के लिए स्पेसिफिक बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, यहाँ पे यू कैन बी ऑफ नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड एज वेल एंड यू कैन टारगेट दिस इंटर्नशिप. Then you have financial advisory. Here you have, if you have strong knowledge of finance, if you're nothing but reach to that financial position where you handle all of that. Okay. Then startups. Being part of startup is an extremely learning process. Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So this is Dr. Ashima Verma and I am a PhD holder and currently I'm working as a professor in an MBA institute. Now what video that I'm making right now is internships in the field of finance. So basically कौन से areas हैं in the area of finance, what are the fields specifically in the area of finance that will actually provide internships and which a finance student can dive into and see and find out internships. ठीक है. Now this topic has definitely come from the current situation of students and how they are actually struggling to get internships. So you need to first understand what are the areas, what are the online websites where you can go and choose, and finally what are the quick hacks wherein you can actually get a good internship in the field of finance. Now this video is specifically focused in the field of finance. Okay. So now I will talk about number one, the 10 areas that will specifically focus on different fields of finance that you can target to achieve a particular step one to a particular career ladder that you want to go to. You want to see yourself like 10 years down the line. Where do you want to see? आज से ही शुरू करोगे तभी उस लेवल पे पहुंच पाओगे, otherwise it becomes very difficult. So internship को don't take it too lightly कि मैं भाई ऐसे कर लेंगे. No, it is a stepping stone towards something very great in your career. So don't just take it like that. Try to focus and find out and dive deep into how to get a good internship. Okay, so 10 areas mein, if you want to go into something like audit, if you are from a field of your accounting, finance या फिर तुम्हारी commerce की field है, then you can definitely go in the field of audit. You need to have basic knowledge of accounting, of auditing topics that you have the subject. There is definitely one auditing subject in your entire जर्नी ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, चाहे वो कॉमर्स में होगी, बीकॉम में होगी, एमकॉम में होगी, बीबीए में होगी, ऑडिट का आता है सब्जेक्ट, एमबीए में होगी, ऑडिट का सब्जेक्ट आता है. तो आप उसके बेसिक्स को अंडरस्टैंड करिए एंड फोकस ऑन दैट इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड दैट करियर इन स्पेसिफिक दैट एरिया. Then taxation may, if you really want to do an internship, the person who has a field or a background of educational background of a CA, chartered accountant, or somebody having knowledge of taxation, or somebody having knowledge of law, they can definitely apply to internship in the field of tax. And at the same time, what you will be asked to do, you will be asked to file tax returns and also suggest clients and recommendations to the clients on how they need to work through it. ठीक है, on various fields, चाहे वो आपका टैक्सेशन का पार्ट हो, चाहे वो लॉ का पार्ट हो, चाहे अकाउंटेंसी का पार्ट हो. ठीक है. देन यू हैव एडवाइजरी और कंसल्टेंसी इंटर्नशिप. हियर it's a very sought after internship role and you need to have basic knowledge of, if you can apply for this advisory role from any stream, be it a tech or a non-tech background, आप इस advisory field में apply कर सकते हो. So you will be more concerned about risk management, strategy building. तो उसके लिए specific बैकग्राउंड नहीं चाहिए. जैसे हमें टैक्स के लिए स्पेसिफिक बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, यहाँ पे यू कैन बी ऑफ नॉन कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड एज वेल एंड यू कैन टारगेट दिस इंटर्नशिप. Then you have financial advisory. Here you have, if you have strong knowledge of finance, if you have strong knowledge of maths, economics or commerce, you can definitely go in for a financial advisory. यहाँ पे आपको क्या किसका पार्ट किया जाएगा in your financial risk management and mergers and acquisitions. Then if you are into tech and data analytics, if you have that background and if you want to pursue that in the area of finance को आप अपने tech से link करना चाहते हैं, तो आप डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम योर इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड. देन यू हैव इन योर इंटरनल फर्म सर्विसेज. इफ ऑल ऑफ दिस, जनरली अगर आपको किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का पार्ट होना है ताकि आपको इन दी एंड you get a PPO offer from that particular firm that you are targeting, you can definitely go in for internal firm services, whatever business के होते हैं काम होते हैं, that you will be a part of that, or business support system as they call it. ठीक है, so that can be in a stream of HR, marketing, finance, or for that matter admin also. ठीक है, then you have brokerage firms as well, where it's quite easy to get nowadays, and you can definitely be if you see yourself in that career, आप उसको apply कर सकते हैं. Then you have BPOs. Now BPOs में it is not something that very popular, but definitely वहाँ पे finance roles होते हैं, and definitely you can target a particular BPO and reach to that, not just making calls and everything, but reach to that financial position where you handle all of that. ठीक है. Then startups. Being part of startup is an extremely learning process. It's a very good process where you can learn a lot. So learning के बाद ही आप better होते हैं, right? So if you want to learn from the basics of finance, try to find startups that are in the area of finance, and you will learn a lot so that you can then target big names and be a part of that. And finally, commercial banks. Now commercial banks also, though after a lot of networking you will get a job there, but you can also apply through career page, and then you can also be a part of career of your commercial banks if you really want to put in the future you want to have a position of a manager or deputy manager in a bank. Then you can target in your internship that bank only, or that any commercial bank for that matter. Okay. Now what is the process? Let's understand how the process goes. Now there are 3 ways or 3 or 4 ways where you can go in for internship. Number 1 is on campus recruitment. On campus recruitment ka matlab hai the companies are going to come to your campus for internships. Now this is very common in tier 1 colleges and some of your tier 2 colleges, but tier 3 college mein this is a struggle. You rarely get a college where of a tier 3 category where companies are coming for internship as well. प्रॉब्लम क्या है, पहले ही फाइनेंस स्ट्रीम में ना जॉब्स बहुत लिमिटेड है, उसके ऊपर इंटर्नशिप तो और भी ज़्यादा लिमिटेड है, क्योंकि यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ फाइनेंस वर्क्स ऑन अ रियल ग्राउंड. रियलिटी की बात करें तो उतने देर की इंटर्नशिप के लिए बहुत कम सिनेरियो ऐसा होता है वेदर जॉब्स आर देयर. इफ यू हैव 10 people, the job will be for 1 or 2 only, and that is very common. ठीक है. Then coming to now this is the place where you get online websites from where you can definitely apply. I have a list of websites where you can apply through to get an internship. Now Internshala, very common one and a good one also. Angel List, you have Unstopped, Found It, Hello Intern, Glassdoor, Indeed. So here आपको मिलेगी internships. Now नीति आयोग is a very good place where you can focus for finance area वाली जितनी भी jobs हैं for a government internship, and having an internship from नीति आयोग done in your resume will make your resume very strong. So not just private, open your sphere, open your way of thinking, and you can go in for a government internship as well, right? Then coming to how are they going to assess you. So after you go and apply through their career pages, you will upload your CV. Now CV के लिए भी it's very important how to make the correct format. What is the correct format? How to make a good CV, ठीक है? And not just CV, उसके साथ साथ आपको उसका cover letter भी upload करना होगा ना. Cover letter is extremely important in giving first impression to the person who is reading it. So what is a cover letter? Cover letter basically talks about that why you want this job, why you want this internship, from which college, basic introduction about you, and then why. उस एक पैराग्राफ में आपको impress करना है सामने वाले बंदे को that yes, you really want to work in that company, having the right attitude. Now attitude in an internship, having the correct attitude in an internship is extremely difficult. ठीक है, people just go in for internship, they don't really work, they go there for certification, for to get that certificate, and that's about it. So having the correct attitude is very important. Then in your assessment, online assessment, it can be based on your aptitude test, या फिर अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से हैं, आप अगर आप सॉफ्टवेयर को, डाटा एनालिटिक्स साइड को अगर आप टच कर रहे हैं, so they might ask you for coding test also. So that might be there, might not be there. Depends upon which company you are targeting in the area of finance. क्योंकि फाइनेंस वाले एरिया में भी आजकल AI आ गया है. AI आ गया तो भैया आपको चाहिए होगा कोडिंग वगैरह. कोडिंग भी नहीं चाहिए तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दैट स्फेयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. Now, every company will have their own level of interviews. Kuch companies may, like Deloitte, for example, will have 4 interviews, before they finally give you an offer letter for internship. Then, if we talk about KPMG, where they'll just have 2 interviews. If we talk about the technical background wala hona chahiye, so technical ka alag hota hai, HR wala alag interview hota hai. So every company is having different way of actually getting interns, right? So there can be another test like case study test हो सकता है, GDs हो सकते हैं, guesstimate questions हो सकते हैं. Guesstimate questions क्या होता है that you are given a random scenario and you are asked to guess कि कितने number of things will be affected, for example. Or for that matter, if they say कि if you are standing on a main road in Delhi, in the main city of Delhi, then tell me how many at your bus stop you are. आप मुझे बताओ कितनी buses यहाँ से गुजरेंगी from say 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So आप सोचोगे, it's not just about giving a random number. नहीं, you need to think, you need to strategize and then convince your strategy to the person in front of you. If the person is satisfied in your thinking, उसको यही जानना है कि आप सोच क्या रहे हो, क्या आप गलत भी हो सकते हो, but is there clarity in the way you are thinking? उसी से पता लग जाता है कि how intelligent are you, and this is what they really want. Intelligent people with good attitude, so that they are able to offer them a PPO. Now companies, they are very open to offer PPOs also. So if you're working well, they will definitely offer you a PPO. So companies कौन कौन सी है? You have Big Four, you have EY, KPMG, Deloitte, PwC. Other than that, you have McKinsey, you have Morgan, you have so many companies. Actually, Bain. ठीक है, ये सब companies हैं. There's a very long list of companies that you can apply in the area of finance. You can even all the commercial banks, include them also. So this is, I think, it's very relevant. Not just this, but also one more point I really want to talk about here is that technical skills. ठीक है, technical skills क्या होंगे for the area of finance? आपको clarity होनी चाहिए on the basic financial concepts, accounting concepts. ये पूछे जाते हैं. What are your basic accounting principles, accounting standards? ठीक है, what are statements, accounting statements कौन सी होती हैं? ठीक है, all of this, what do you mean by financial management? ठीक है, what are the basic theories of finance? All of this basic understanding you should have. पीपल गेट कन्फ्यूज कि ये तो फाइनेंस है तो सिर्फ स्टॉक मार्केट होगा. नहीं, उसके अलावा बहुत अलग अलग भी है. लाइक आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट 10 एरियाज इन द फील्ड ऑफ फाइनेंस वेयर यू कैन फोकस फॉर इंटर्नशिप. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम माई साइड टू यू पीपल. सो इफ यू रियली like the content and if you want to see more such videos, so please like, share and put a comment on which you want a similar video to be shared by me on my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.